You know, it is remarkable that after 30 years of ANC rule, we are still asking the same questions we have since 1994. Where are the jobs? Unemployment is over 30%. For young people, it's closer to 60. That's not governance. That's abandonment. Where is the electricity? South Africa once had one of the most reliable grids in the world. Now, rolling blackouts, it's just normal. Billions poured into Eskom. Billions stolen out of Eskom. Where is the dignity? Hospitals like Tembisa looted of over 2 billion. Money for the sick converted into Bentleys and Lamborghinis and luxury mansions. That isn't mismanagement. That is moral collapse. And the truth is, a party that has failed for 30 years, it's not suddenly going to succeed in the next 30. Promises without competence is just lies. And every citizen has to decide, will you keep tolerating these excuses, or will you finally demand a change?